Tweaking celery for high performance. I'm trying to send 400 HTTP GET requests, then collect the results. I'm running from Django. My solution was to use celery with Jevent. To start the celery tasks, I call get_reports. I use 4 workers. And I use rabbitmq as the broker. And although it works much faster than running the requests sequentially, 400 requests took till 23 seconds, I noticed that most of that time was overhead from celery itself, i.e. if I change get_report_task like this. This whole operation took till 19 seconds. That means that I spend 19 seconds only on sending all the tasks to celery and getting the results back. The queuing rate of messages to rabbitmq seems to be bound to 28 messages per second, and I think that this is my bottleneck. I'm running on a Win8 machine if that matters. Some of the things I've tried. Using Redis as broker, using Redis as results backend. Tweaking with those settings. Broker_pool_limit equals 500. Celerid_prefetch_multiplier equals 0. Celerid_max_tasks_per_child equals 100. Celery_ax_late equals false. Celery_disable_rate_limits equals true. I'm looking for any suggestions that will help speed things up.
Well, it turns out I had 2 separate issues. First off, the task was a member method. After extracting it out of the class, the time went down to about 12 seconds. I can only assume it has something to do with the pickling of self. The second thing was the fact that it ran on Windows. After running it on my Linux machine, the runtime was less than 2 seconds. Guess Windows just isn't cut for high performance.
Are you really running on Windows 8 without a virtual machine? I did the following simple test on 2-core MacBook 8GB RAM running OS X 10.7.
How about using Twisted instead? You can reach for much simpler application structure. You can send all 400 requests from the Django process at once and wait for all of them to finish. This works simultaneously because Twisted sets the sockets into non-blocking mode and only reads the data when it's available. I had a similar problem a while ago, and I've developed a nice bridge between Twisted and Django. I'm running it in production environment for almost a year now. You can find it here, this URL. In simple words, it has the main application thread running the main Twisted reactor loop, and the Django view results is delegated to a thread. It uses special thread pull, which exposes methods to interact with reactor and use its asynchronous capabilities. If you use it, your code would look like this. This still is something you can optimize a lot. Here, every call to get page would create a separate TCP connection and close it when it's done. This is as optimal as it can be, providing that each of your 400 requests is sent to a different host. If this is not a case, you can use HTTP connection pool, which uses persistent connections and HTTP pipelining. You instantiate it like this. Then a single request is performed like this. This goes instead the get page call.